So hello everyone, thank you for dropping by. Just don't skip, just watch the full videos here. So we call this sikad in Bantayan Island. We put lemongrass on it, and we have here the jam, the ginger. Slice it and then put it there. Yeah, and put it in Wonderkalan. We call it Wonderkalan because it's so amazing. Yeah, the magic syrup.
Serious at the drink the pita.
And the onions, you should slice it. Yeah, make us na yarn. The bukal, I don't know what you call it, but yeah, in Bantayan Island it's bukal. Make us mo na yarn. And I can't skip this one. I need to taste the soup, because when I bought sikat, it's so fresh, they're still alive, so I feel pity, but I'm so hungry, so I don't I set aside my pittiness. And now I'm tasting the soup. Oh my goodness, it's so yummy. And then stop it. Oy, sige mo kag tilaw dra day kapoy English. Oy, wrong spelling na lang ta for me. So kana ako nang gitilawan day kay pati ra pud og di natong tilawan. Nyag matilawan sila inong batig lami kay kuno dili na fresh. May nang atong tilawan og pareha ba nato ka fresh. Oy. Bitaw. Pag serious na diha day tiguang na ra ba ka? Wala na ra ba ka sa kalendaryo? Nya, di ba kita mo ana? Lami Nya dali an kaunday oy. Paibog pa man ka. Hungit na si mong ba? Tay, kapamalikas mo tanimo ba? Kana, dali Hinaya ni magkusog, oy. Na, ti ukon ti karon. Basi nagmabuhi, nagbalik ba? Kau na nagtarong diha. Dayon sa man ang imong gibutang sa imong tiyan. Di mo na di nakakaginhawa na imong kabuang. Dali na. Nagalaway na ng agi. Lamya, tunla, hasta kanang shell. Sige.